Hey guys, assalamu alaikum, it's Jenna G. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make this delicious no fry sweet and sour chicken. This dish will be ready in no time. Here are all the ingredients you will need for the recipe. One helpful tip for you guys is to cut up and parcel out all your chicken, then freeze it as soon as you purchase it. This makes it so easy when you want to whip up a quick dish like this one, or if you don't have a lot of time to allow for meat to thaw out. I'm going to be using this store-bought but delicious sweet and sour sauce, and I'm also going to be using Thai Kong all-purpose seasoning, some canned pineapple, and some grated garlic, ginger, onions, and sweet peppers. To start off, I've added some vegetable oil to my wok. Then I'll be adding in the onions and sweet peppers, the ginger, and the garlic. I'm going to saute this, then I'm going to add the chicken. A little of the all-purpose seasoning was added to the chicken before. I just prefer to do this to ensure that there's that salt factor in the meat. Once the chicken and veggies are cooked, I'm going to add the sweet and sour sauce, followed by the pineapple slices. Give this a stir, let it simmer until the sauce starts bubbling. Taste and add some of that all-purpose seasoning as it will add that salt factor. Remove it from the heat and ta-da! Super easy sweet and sour chicken is ready. If you wish to fry the chicken, you can season it with some of the all-purpose seasoning, then coat in flour, egg, then flour again, and fry it or cook in the air fryer. Then instead of adding the chicken first like I did in this recipe, you will cook the onions and sweet peppers, garlic and ginger in the oil, then add the sweet and sour sauce and pineapple, and last the chicken will go in. This is sort of similar to that fish and mushrooms and oyster sauce that I did. You can refer to that where the fish was added last to the sauce. This no fry option is so delicious too. To go along with it, I had some chicken fried rice. The link for that video will be listed in the description box, so you can go check it out. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a like and share with all your friends and your family. Thanks so much for watching. As always, I'll see you guys in my next video.